Yo, what is good, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're gonna be moving the Accord just on flatter ground, just to get like some of the kinks out. Nothing crazy. So finally, the car has seen jack stands after a long time. So I think what I want to do today is I'm gonna fix the shifter cables, have them routed a little bit better now that I could get underneath the car safely, change the oil, and clean up the bay. Definitely. Doesn't look too bad right now, but I mean, it's just dirty, you know what I mean? Like, you guys seen I had like 1 horsepower for each leaf on top of the cowl, and nah, I want to get it clean. I want to get it right. Excuse the radio in the background. My uncle's working. He's doing his thing, so I don't want to turn that off for him. All right, so the small one has to basically come over here. So you see how this one's like on the right side? Yeah, it's supposed to be flipped the other way. So it's supposed to come here just for, you know, free travel, so that it doesn't, you know, mess up on me. Definitely feels a lot better now. I'm gonna go ahead and drain this oil. Oil filter. Man, I could never worry about running out of oil filters. I have at least like 50 to 60 of these. And 5W30. So right now I'm just gonna bleed the coolant since I got the car high enough. Probably get those last air bubbles out. Fresh oil change. Shifter cables are better. I think this is a good video. Good day too. Well, she seems good so far. No overheating or nothing. But on the bright side, everything that was taken care of got taken care of. The car feels really good. I mean, I didn't drive it that far. I drove it from literally my driveway to where I'm at now. So yeah, I couldn't clean it because it's gonna rain anyways. Probably gonna get it all dirty again. I put the hood latch on, and it doesn't close. So gotta figure out whether if it's the latch or gotta get a new one. Here anymore. This fuel pressure regulator is fucking garbage. Either this or something else is going on that I don't really understand. Like, I don't know. I can't drive the car if the shit is leaking fuel. Like, this is starting to piss me off now. Well, good news. I'm gonna be having my fuel pressure regulator warrantied out. Bad news is the car's gonna be down for a while. Well, probably for like maybe about a week or so, a couple days, who knows. Once K2 sends me the packaging and all that stuff, I'm gonna just go ahead and actually just gonna go ahead and do it now. Rip this apart and have it rest in peace for a couple days, maybe a week. And that's the fuel pressure regulator. All right, so I took the -8 to -6 off. Now I gotta take the gauge off, and then I gotta wait for tracking, and then I can send this back. So luckily I still have the box, so I'm gonna go ahead and send it back with the box. All right, so they're separated. Now I just gotta wait on K2. Honestly, I feel like I should have did this a long time ago when I first found the issue, but I tried to solve it myself. Pretty much when I got fed up, they told me swap the diaphragm, see what happens, and then that it helped, but after a while it was like it still did it anyways. So I just got a faulty one, you know, it is what it is. But with downtime, that's cool with me. It lets me cook up something else I could do without the car running, you know. Pretty much I got everything sorted. Even with this, with this bad fuel pressure regulator, I still got the car to idle pretty good. So I'm proud of myself for that. But yeah, I think I'm not even gonna drag this video on any longer. I hope you guys like that I've been a little bit more consistent with the videos, you know, cranking them out a little bit more often. Trying to get to my goal of like 2 a week. See if I could do that. But so far, I hope you guys like the videos, man. Thank you for everybody who subscribed. I appreciate you guys. And I'm definitely gonna keep you posted on the fuel pressure regulator situation, but it is what it is. But till then, peace out, guys.